A good teacher is not who give answers to their kids, but is understanding to the needs, challenges and give advice to help the student succeed. Good evening everyone, respected Milan sir and all my dear friends. A good teacher is not who give answers to their kids, but is understanding to the needs, challenges and give advice to help the student succeed. With this beautiful quote, I would like to tell you that today's speech is on my favorite teacher. Before telling you about my favorite teacher, I'll tell you what my favorite teacher means. It means who inspires you, who advises you, who motivates you, who enlightens you and who understands you. I also have that one special and favorite teacher. Milan sir is my favorite teacher, not because I am standing here in front of him or you in front of camera, but because I have noticed that Milan sir is really different from all the teachers I know. He motivates us in such a way that something different hits from inside and motivates myself. Milan sir have guided me to study hard, achieve my goals for the betterment of my life. I have learned many things from Milan sir, just like about spiritual world, meditation, a really new thing, and about Osho. Milan sir is so positive that whenever he talks with me, I feel positive and get confident. Milan sir have also taught that in this stage of life, first thing is really important that to study hard and achieve our goals and make our parents proud. I am really blessed to have a teacher like you. Thank you sir for giving me knowledge, for motivating me in my ups and downs and supporting me and understanding me. I make sure that I make my parents proud and also you. A teacher like you is the best gift for every student. Thank you.